think to everybody I would say just go back to घर का खाना.
वाह.
Just go back to घर का खाना, you know, आप घर में बनाओगे, आप fresh खाना खा रहे हो and do intuitive eating. The oldest science is Ayurveda और उसमें वो बोलते थे and what I do is I stop eating at sunset. So my dinner is at 6:30 max, you know, generally 6ish, and you eat with sunrise. And there are reasons for it, you know, your circadian rhythm, the way your enzymes in the body are. ये लोग समझाएंगे नहीं ना, because it doesn't sell.
नहीं, exactly. And इससे ये बात प्रूव हो जाता है कि भैया खाओ तभी जब भूख लगे.
Correct. You know, but that also comes to now peer pressure. People go out.
Yeah.
I have green tea when I go out and I am made fun of. अरे what you're not going to eat your dinner.
अपने पानी में कुछ तो डालती हूँ. मैं तो गर्म पानी ले.
गर्म पानी नींबू भी बहुत बार किया है. You won't believe मैं ग्रीन टी का पैक या कोई कैमोमाइल टी या कुछ अपने बैग में रखती हूँ कि बाहर पे अगर कुछ पार्टी है या कोई रैप पार्टी है वहाँ मिलेगा तो है नहीं. So I have ऐसे गर्म पानी मिलेगा and I'll put it in it. So I am given a lot of you know, people look at me like यार इतना भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So they think it's stressful for me, but it's not.
No,
I love it.
That's the lifestyle that you have chosen.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So when one works out and wants to get healthy or fitter, बहुत मुश्किल होता है. But there comes a moment when you feel कि अरे यार ये तो बड़ा कमाल है. So what was that fit is fab moment for you?
I think just one of those days that I realized that I'm so addicted to it. The adrenaline rush that it gave me, the way I felt, I can say कि जो मेरा दिन है वो एक positive note पे शुरू होता है. Yeah. People around me know, my staff knows. अच्छा workout करके नहीं आए. Like I'm a very grumpy person. So once that's done and when I realized that this is not difficult and once I understood the fads, you know, what is a fad and what is actually that works for the body, that's when I was like, fit is fab, yeah. It's not tough. Actually, the biggest problem is कि fitness industry से related, I feel, इतने myths हैं.
बिल्कुल.
जो लोग सोचते हैं, oh no, आप कितना workout करते हैं, कितना करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
आप खाना नहीं खाते हैं, you know, like there are just wrong notions. And I think when I understood that, I did a lot of reading myself, I did a lot of understanding myself. That's when I was like, this is amazing.
And I think through you, I want people also to know that it's not difficult to do. You know, you have to live in awareness, one, and also tell them how you and what you read. What is it that makes it different for you when you approach, you know, your diet?
You know, I think the most important thing for diet is that we should all, I follow Ayurveda very strongly. And I feel कि जब हम छोटे थे, our mothers used to give us वही दाल, रोटी, सब्जी, and we would never put on weight. You know, this whole new trend of junk food coming in and fads coming in कि कभी keto कर लो या कभी low carb कर लो या no carb कर लो. I think there's too much information. Sometimes wrong information is very risky and सब लोगों के पास या तो वो access नहीं होता या वो time नहीं होता that they give into it because you have to be really passionate to know about it.